Hello, and welcome to this 5-minute meditation for anxiety. I'll be your guide for this short, calming session designed to help ease your anxiety and regain a sense of balance. Remember, everyone is welcome here, whether you're new to meditation or a regular practitioner. So let's begin. First, find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Then slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat this a couple of times, allowing your body to relax and your mind to become present. Now, as you continue to breathe in and out, bring your focus to the sensation of your breath. Notice how it feels as it enters your nostrils, fills your lungs, and then leaves your body. Let this awareness ground you in the present moment. In times of anxiety, our thoughts can race, making it difficult to find peace. For the next few moments, imagine each thought that enters your mind as a leaf gently floating on the surface of a stream. As the thought appears, acknowledge it, and then let it drift away with the current, without judgment or attachment. Continue to breathe deeply as you watch your thoughts come and go, like leaves on the stream. Each breath brings you further into a state of calm and tranquility. As our time together comes to an end, start to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes and take a few deep, cleansing breaths. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take in your environment. Remember that this peaceful, anxiety-free state is always accessible to you through meditation or simply focusing on your breath. Thank you for joining me in today's 5-minute meditation for anxiety. I hope it has helped you find a moment of calm and balance in your day. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you again soon.